What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog, and for today's video we have the all-new Galaxy J7 Prime. And when I say the all-new, it's actually not the newest J7 Prime because they actually had the J7 Prime previously but in gold color. The only difference between the old one that they had and this one is that one had 16 gigabytes of internal memory, this one has 32 gigabytes. Also, it's in the black model while this was a gold model, and then the price is $119 on the old model and $149 on the J7 Prime. Alright, let's go ahead and go into the phone and see what they come with, and then we'll see if it's actually a better color, a better design, or just the same thing as the gold model. So here's the phone itself. Let's go ahead and just take this off so you can see it a little bit more clearly. And looking at it, it's the same as the gold model. So the design is actually the same thing. There's no difference at all, except the color. And it's actually not even black. It's more like a dark gray. Not much of a difference there. Let's go ahead and see what comes in the box. So you have the SIM card, the quick guide, and yep, it's not USB-C, just a regular cable. The adapter, let's see if it's fast charging. No, it's not. And then 3,300 milliamp battery. Okay, let's go back into the phone. I honestly prefer this color over the gold one any day, but that's just my preference. Some people might like the gold one. I would have preferred if Metro actually came out with this model first and then came out with the gold one as a limited edition type of thing, where people that want gold can just buy that. Anyways, same features as the other one. You have the SIM card slot right there, the micro SD slot. And for the long battery, let's go ahead and insert that and turn the phone on. So looking at the phone, on the left hand side you have the volume rockers. On the right hand side you have the power button, and then on top you don't have anything. At the bottom you have the USB, which is the regular micro USB slot, and the headphone jack. The back button and the reset button don't light up. The 5.5 inch display, the 5 megapixel in the front, the 8 megapixel in the rear with flash, and then your speakers actually on the right hand side. Alright, now that we have the phone on, let's go ahead and actually see the specs of it. By the way, if you haven't seen the original J7 in gold, I have the full review for that, and I'm going to link it down below. And then if you want to see the review for the J7, the original one, I'll have that also linked below. What I'm going to check out actually is the memory and the operating software to see what they have on here. So they have the Android version 7.0, so that is 7.0 Nougat, as you can see right there. And then if you look at the storage, device management, and looking at the storage, 32 gigabytes of memory, 6.8 has already been used for the operating system, so you're left with 25 gigs. And last but not least, let's go ahead and just check out the camera. Alright, there you go. So let's go ahead and just take some shots. Very good camera actually. That was really nice. So you're shooting on an 8 megapixel autofocus rear camera, and it's optimized for low light. And look at that zoom, very clear. And then if we do video and bring something to autofocus from far to close, so autofocus is not as bad as well. Alright, there you guys have it. So there's not much of a difference between the older model, which is the J7 Prime in gold, and the newer model. The only differences so far that I've seen is that this is actually a gray, dark gray color, and a 32 gigabytes of memory. The design is the same. The 8 megapixel in the rear is the same as the old model, 5 megapixel in the front. The large 5.5 high definition display is also the same, and then not to mention the processor itself is also not changed. If they really wanted to differentiate between the J7s, they actually could have made the size like this. A lot of people actually love this design. The first or original J7 that they had, if they actually compared it and made it similar to this, I think more people would buy it. I personally don't like this design and like the newer model. If I'm trying to do like one-hand texting, you can't really do that. But with this one, it fits really perfectly in my hands, and I can actually have some control over the phone, unlike this one where I couldn't grasp it from side to side and it was a little bit hard to handle. So they could have at least left it at 119 and not bumped it up to 149. That would have at least made a difference so that people that don't like the gold color can upgrade to this model if they wanted more memory. Because right now that means you're paying at least $30 more, which is not bad if you're getting double the memory that you were gonna get with the gold J7 Prime. So there you guys have it. I'm not going to do much of a comprehensive review for this phone because again, this is the same similar model to the gold one, I'll just link down below the full review that I've already done if you guys want to know more about this phone. If you guys want to see more videos when the new phones from Metro PCS are coming out, make sure you're subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.